Hi friends, how are you all? Fine. Okay. In last class we have learned about tissues. What are tissues? Yes, tissues are group of similar cells that perform specific functions. We have learned two different types of tissues, plant tissue and animal tissue. Among this, plant tissues are divided into meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Permanent tissues are again divided into simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissues are divided into parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Complex permanent tissues are xylem and phloem. Today we are going to learn about meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue consists of actively dividing cells that leads to the growth of a plant. They are found in the tip of the stem and roots. Meristematic tissues are divided into apical meristematic tissue, lateral meristematic tissue and intercalary meristematic tissue. Now let's have a look at this diagram. The diagram of meristematic tissue is given. It consists of, we know that a plant consists of shoot, root and branches. The apical meristem, apical means apex. The apical meristem is found in the tip of the plant body. This is the apical meristem. It is found in the tip of the plant body. And the lateral meristem is seen inside the shoot. So, the division of lateral meristem helps to increase the girth of the plant body. Girth means thickness. Then now we come through the intercalary meristem. Intercalary meristem is seen between the nodes. We can see some thick portion in the plant body. They are nodes. And the intercalary meristem is seen between the nodes. Okay, clear? The division of intercalary meristem helps in the growth of the region between two nodes. That is called the internode. And also it will help in the growth of axillary region, which will ultimately grow into a branch. Understood? Now let's have a look at this plant body. This is the tip portion where apical meristem is seen. The apical meristem is found in shoot tip and root tip, and the lateral meristem is seen inside the stem on both sides, and the intercalary meristem is seen between the two nodes. These are nodes, and between nodes intercalary meristem is seen. Understood? Now let's have a look at the properties of cells that constitute the meristematic tissue. Okay. First property is they have a thin wall. When the cell walls are thick, we have already learned that they are meristematic. The cells that constitute the meristematic tissues are actively dividing cells. So when the cell walls are thick, they cannot divide. Then the second property is they have a dense cytoplasm. We know that cytoplasm is for storing the raw materials. We have already studied that they are actively dividing cells, so it will have a dense cytoplasm. Then they have prominent nucleus. Cells are living and metabolically active. They do not have a vacuum. Hope you all understood the topic. Thank you.